I know it sounds too good to be true. Usually things are, but this isn't. And we live streamed this one today. So you can go look. 3:26, 25, and 9:45 in the morning. We live streamed it. You can go on our YouTube, Breakout Hunter, and you can watch this happen live. All right. So from here to here was 100 ticks. That's $500. Here's the kicker. You don't have to know how to trade to do this. All right. This is an automated trading system that we just spent the last couple of years building, and it works. What did we do? Well, we know between 9:30 to 9:45 a.m. there's a huge influx of volume that creates an opening range at the beginning of the U.S. market. Well, what happens at 9:45 to people start buying and selling, putting orders in, pending orders, etc., in mass because they want to break what's called in the opening range. Okay, so we are only looking for this trade to happen between 9:45 and 10 a.m. So the software says, okay, you can't trade outside of then, and if conditions are met for this trade to take it. And that's what it does. And it's that simple. And we have some proprietary stuff in the back end that makes this work and how to actually enter the trade. And here is $500. Here's $500. This is once a day. Here we go. This is a previous day. Here's $500. Here's $500. So here's the numbers right here for March. So it took 14 trades in March, made $7,416 with one contract, so one position size, with a 92% win rate, 1,000% profit factor. Okay. But that's how do you get to $10,000 a day? Well, that's a good question, because that's what this said at the beginning is, do you want to make 10 grand a day, right? Well, we don't trade our own funds. And I'm about to go through that with you real quick. But we compound prop firm accounts and we trade copy them. So you can get 5 accounts. So let's simulate 5 accounts. So we'll put in right here, boom. That's $37,000 for March. Well, what if you went ahead and just got, 10 prop firm accounts? Well, there's $74,000. Well, what if you said, I'm gonna work up to getting 20 prop firm accounts? That's $148,000. So if you trade Apex and you maxed out the accounts that they're allowed to have as 20 accounts, right? You can have $148,000 for the month of March. Well, what if you just kept going and you got 40 accounts, right? So there's $296,000. That's 20 grand a day. What if you said, okay, I'm going to go ahead and get 60 accounts? You get the drift. That's a $440,000 for the month of March. You're getting the point, right? Keep watching the video, and I'm going to show you what prop firms are if you don't know. And then we're going to go over our website and services and how to actually get a hold of this bot. This stuff is no joke. Look at these profit posts from our members right here. This is from our members posting in their profits. This guy's trade copying all these accounts. He's got thousands and thousands and thousands today. What a day for him. Okay, let's click, and then we'll keep going. Rye says, thanks, Cowboy, $415. Thank you from Eric, $514. There's my report, 100% win rate. These are trades after trades after trades, and this goes on and on forever. Now let's talk about funding. You don't have the money to trade. That's fine. I don't trade with my own money. Why would I? I use other people's money to make money with. There's no reason to trade my own money. There is millions of ways to get money to trade with. And one of them is by prop firms. So if you come to our website here, it's breakouthunter.com, you can click on get funded, right? So what is a prop firm? A prop firm is a company offering prop traders an opportunity to use their skills to trade for them. The company provides traders with capital that they can use to trade with. The prop firm splits the profits with the trader. Typically, it's an 80-20 or a 90-10, and you keep 80% or you keep 90%, whatever the split is. And that means that you can trade without putting upfront capital. However, you must pass the testing phase to obtain the capital, and there's a small fee to take that test. All right. Our trading, well, obviously, our trading bot and live sessions will gear you up to pass those challenges, obviously. So these are the ones that we work with: Earn to Trade, Tradify, Perdea, Capital, Blue Sky. If you come here and click on them, you'll get a discount for using our link, etc. But let's go over to Earn to Trade real quick. And the reason I like these guys is if you can start with a $50,000 account, right? And then you have to get 3,000 in profit to pass, and you move up to a virtual capital, either a live account, which would be really, they would put, deposit money into an account and you're trading it, or a live sim, which is still a simulated, but you get paid on it. Again, you have to get $3,000 to move up to the next goal. Most prop firms do not do this. Every profit goal, they double the account until you reach 400,000 and then they give you a private contract. Okay. This is the only futures prop firm that I know of that actually does this. There's some Forex ones out there that I know that do it, but this is the only futures one I know. That's why I love this account. And you collect payouts from this level right here. Anywhere, anytime you get past the buffer, you can collect payouts. All right. You request your payout by Friday, you get paid on Wednesdays. That's the beauty of Earn to Trade. So these are the prop firms. And then if you go to, we'll click on Tradeify here. We'll go to their website and look at theirs, right? So the growth accounts, the ones you would want to use. So right here, 50 grand for $139 a month that while you're passing it. If you pass it, you don't pay this anymore. 100K is 249, 150 grand is 339. This is the fee to take the test. Basically, like anybody that goes to school, it's anybody that's ever gone to college or university or anything that knows you pay to take the tests, right? It's the same thing. And you can use any one of these firms will allow the automated system. Now, let's talk about how we turn this little $500 trade that we're talking about into 20,000, 10,000, whatever a day. Well, guess what? You can have more than one account. So if you have, I don't know, 3 accounts at Blue Sky, 5 at Tradeify, 2 at Earn to Trade, and 2 at Perdia, right? There's software out there called trade copiers. So when the bot takes a trade, right? And here we go. When the bot takes this trade right here, right? And it goes up and you would make, $500 on this 100 tick move. See, that says 100. Well, you would make $500 on this move right here, right? Well, since you've got 10 accounts that you're trading on, well, you just made, well, what's 500 times 10? Does anybody want to do the math? Let you think real quick. What is it? Someone tell me. Well, it's 5 grand. Okay. So what if you had 20 accounts? What if you had 30 accounts? What if you went and got 40? Now I'm saying this takes some time. Over 6 months, you can stack up these accounts, right? You get some payouts, you start getting more accounts, you're copy trading, you're spending some money, you're getting more accounts, you're getting more payouts, you're copy trading. Before you know it, you got 40 accounts and you're making $20,000 a day off a $500 trade that you do every day and you don't change, and it's the same thing every single day. Now, let me back that up. Not every single day. This right here is our stats for March to now, right? So it's taken 14 trades. So it doesn't take a trade every single day. 14 days, it's only lost once. Okay. And it's with $7,416 with one contract. So that's $500. That's one account. Now, if you put on just 10 accounts, so we'll go ahead and change it to with 10 accounts, well, you make $74,000 this month so far, right? Well, what if you had 40 accounts, right? Well, now you made $296,000 a month so far. So that's where the compounding comes into play. This is very real. People do this, and this is what they didn't teach you in school. And they don't teach this in school on purpose. They don't want a bunch of rich people running around. They need people to go to McDonald's and make burgers. All right. So if you want to get into this right now, you can get in for about $100. Well, to use the bot. And then you can get in, you don't have to trade copy anything. You can get one prop firm account and start making some money. But if you want to start adding in accounts, you have to get trading software. That's about $180, right? And then you can trade as many accounts as you want. But the point is get started, right? We've done the legwork for you. Get in and start earning now. And that 6 month to a year period where you can build up all these accounts starts now, not next year, not the year after that. Start now. All right. And here is our Discord right here. And this shows our P&L from our members posting what they've made. So this was from trade copies or whatever. She came home to $445 more in her account, plus or 43 in this one and 445 in that one. That's awesome. Paul right here is trade copying and using the bots. He's using his own trading strategies. 1,000 here, 1,700 here, 1,100. This is just today. 500 here, 500 there, 500 here. And he's getting the trade copies on top of it. Okay, so and then here's Rye. Thanks, Cowboy. $415. That's my online name is Cowboy. Eric, 500. He made 500 today. Here's my report today. One trade, $500. That's from that automated strategy from that account. And then here we go. There's people just constantly every day coming in here and posting in their wins and what they're doing with our indicators, with their automated strategies, or with the trade copies, whatever they're doing. They're coming in here and they're posting in all their wins. All their wins. This is what a trade copy account looks like. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 accounts going right now. And they all made that right there today, or whatever day that was, the 20th. And this goes on and on and on and on and on forever and ever and ever and ever. This is our P&L. This is where everybody posts their bragging rights or whatever. Then we have all these channels here, right? We have our support channels. We have bot setup channels, setups and settings and this and that. And then we have our general chat where people are just talking. We have the Hunters Club chat, which is that premier group. It's just a private chat for the Hunters Club members and etc. So this is our Discord, and this is what you would have access to if you joined our services here. So the first step is going to our website here, right? Clicking on our products, coming to here and signing up for whatever option you want to do, and then joining our Discord. Once you click on here, it's going to ask you to put in your Discord username. If you don't have one, go to discord.com and create one, and then put it in there, and it's going to give you access to our Discord and let you connect. And you can come in there and you can start asking all the questions you want, talk to whoever you want. If you want to come in and talk first, just come to our website right here and click on join our free Discord. What is that going to do? It's going to bring you to this, join the Hunters join the Breakout Hunter Discord. Click join right here, and it will let you join. Again, I've already done this, so it's not going to let me, but it is free right here. See, I go click this, click free join, and it'll let you join. And you can access the Discord and talk to everybody in there. But you need to do it now. Don't wait. Start now. Get the ball rolling now, and you will be thanking me in the next year or two.